friends, welcome. This is Julie. Today I am excited. There's a new Easy 3 card making kit at LV Handcrafted. And today, only June 5th, on launch day, you can use my code VerveGirl for 50% off all printables. So that's really cool. Be sure to put that code in when you check out. This is kind of a travel kit, and I just love this vibe. I'm just loving it. It is so cool. There's the easy guide. So if you haven't seen these kits before, they are all printable. It works with the Easy Wonder die number 1, and it will cut all the pieces out in one pass. If you don't have the die, you can still use this kit to make cards any way you want. There's all sorts of little images, and there's a couple extra prints that you can use just as paper, or you can cut with any of the Easy Wonder dies or any of your own dies. And this one says the best memories are made exploring. And then there's always a sentiment sheet. These sentiments work with the Ultimate Sentiments die. And there's some fun: out of office, into adventure, gone exploring, back eventually. Anyways, there's a whole thing of sentiments and lots of fun things for your cards. There's also 2 patterns, full sheet patterns. There's the blue and the gold. And then there are solids of those 2 as well, so that you have your layering and everything you need for making a card. So I'm going to make a card, and I'll be back to show it to you. So I'm back. I said I was going to make 1 card, but I actually ended up making 10. I pulled out the KCC 22 card sketches from Kendra's Card Challenge, and I saw this sketch right here, and I thought it would be perfect for this circle element that the Easy Guide cuts out. And so I made this card and just added a little ticket embellishment and just kind of followed the sketch layers. And then I realized that this one had like a partner sketch where you use the other cuts from these 2. So then I had to do that one because, I already had the paper cut. And so I did this one. And then I was like, well, what else can I make? So then I made this sketch number 8. And then I went for sketch 10. And then I think this might be my favorite one, number 12. And it says, not all who wander are lost, but I think we're actually lost. That's kind of me and my husband. We are not great travelers. Adventure starts with small steps. This was a sketch 13. And then I used that car image. It's so beautiful. And Fussy cut this sign, adventure called I Pack Snacks. I love that. And then I finished off with this one to use up some of my scraps. And this was the first one on this page. So sketch number 4. And then I still had some things left over, and I was using all things from this kit. And then I did this one. This one uses a little bit of gold cardstock, but it's all still elements from the kit. And I did add a little PET tape butterfly sticker that I thought went there. And then this one was my final card with these lovely images. I love that little lighthouse in the background, and it worked out perfectly. Anyways, so those are my 10 cards with this kit. It was so much fun to do these. I love these images. You can check them out in the LV Handcrafted shop and use my code VerveGirl at checkout for a discount. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll catch you on the next one.